Hey everyone, Jacob here, back in the workshop. We've got the RhinoUSA ratchet straps, a simple mechanism where you can pull this out, and then you've got a button right here that will actually pull this back in and pull that slack back in. Whenever you're ready to actually tie something down, it works like any other ratchet strap. You can just simply release this right here and then ratchet it down, and then it is locked into place. It is not going anywhere. So personally, we've been using these for the last few years because we got really tired of messing with the old ratchet straps and having to, press both sides of the spring and pull it down. All that stuff just felt unnecessary compared to these. They feel extremely heavy duty, very well made. We haven't had any issues with tangling. I really thought that these would eventually tangle and get messed up. There's something about the way they designed this. We haven't ran into that issue once. So if you're just tired of your old ratchet straps, definitely this is a simpler solution for sure. 2 inches across the actual strap itself. And when you're ready to release this, you just press this button. It will release the locking mechanism. And then you can go ahead and press that button one more time and it pulls it back in. Or if you need to get more slack, pull it out. Now it's got really good clips on it. These are clips that are already on the straps for you, and it does have a closed loop clip instead of it just being open loop like a lot of the straps are. So several different things that RhinoUSA just does really, really well. We got this in a 2-pack. We got the red color, but they do come in many different colors. Overall, we're just really, really happy with RhinoUSA. And even if I twist the strap up like this and then I retract it, it still does not get bent. With a heavy duty bag, this was in the packaging so that I can actually store the straps in this bag. Really nice. It's got a drawstring on it and everything as well. Overall, out of every ratchet strap that I have tried, this one is definitely my favorite, and I have not found one that impresses me more than the RhinoUSA heavy duty retractable ratchet straps. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope this helps you.